Automation is changing the way the world runs. The benefits of technology are reaching more aspects of life than ever before. Robots are taking over major parts of the manufacturing and construction industries. The world is getting smaller as wireless digital communication is invading every aspect of modern life. This message is brought to you through the wonders of communication technology, and the device you are using now is part of the World Wide Web. As the Internet evolves into a network of smarter devices, experts estimate that the global Internet of Things market will reach $751 billion by the year 2023. Providence College of Engineering has a vibrant department of electronics and communication, training the engineers who will be connecting the world of the future. Experience Providence.